years worth of high-end iPhone strategies that could make you hundreds of thousands of dollars. By ordering today through this video, you are going to get instant access to the whole iPhone and iPod development course, everything included in this deal, as well as the additional bonuses such as free video tutorials, reports, and interviews with the best developers, and dedicated personal support for just $99. And that's 100% guaranteed. Let me explain. With this training, your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed, and I want to make this clear. You are totally covered by my 60-day satisfaction, no questions asked guarantee. So if you don't love my course, I'll insist you take your money back. I don't see that being an issue. But I believe the last thing you want to do is give this back when you start creating your app or game. But I do want you to know, we've got you covered, and we've got your back if you're worried about this. So here's what I want you to do now. To get instant access to the iPhone Dev Secrets course, click on the big orange Add to Cart button below right now, and let's get started. Let me give you some interesting statistics real quick. There are 4 billion apps downloaded from Apple's App Store currently. Over 250 million iGadgets sold. I mean iPhones, iPods, and iPads in total. For every one paid app, there are 12 free downloaded apps, which, by the way, you can use as well for generating a revenue with list building and showing ads. There are over 250,000 approved apps in the Apple Store, and the top apps and games are averaging $10,000 per day from downloads. That's crazy if you think about it. Now think about if you could be one of them and making huge money off of it. Well, I've already been doing it for the last 6 months, as you know. And I am sure you don't want to miss the boat here. And I really want you to realize how many opportunities are out there. So get ready. Soon you are going to be among those people who really get into mobile game development. This is like if I told you 12 years ago that you can use Google AdWords to bring traffic to your site. People literally became millionaires overnight by doing the right thing at the right time. And it's the same thing with mobile games and apps now. You really don't want to miss the gold rush of apps and game sales. So get ready for the ride of your life. And I really hope my video presentation helped you get a perspective in your head of how big mobile development is for you, and how much money you potentially can make by selling your game or app. The most important part is your desire to create a game or app of your dream and make huge amounts of money by selling it. Moreover, besides money, you gain respect and recognition among the developer society. Who knows? Maybe you will become the next Gameloft. So click the magic orange Add to Cart button below and get instant access to your personal member area with all the training, videos, and bonuses so you can start creating your own app or game literally today. Look, there is so much money in having your own application, and the reason people stay clear of it is usually because they think it's way too hard to start. Let me tell you something. There's so many ways to start up your own app without any knowledge of anything app-related. All you need is the idea. That's the key. Have you heard of iFart? Well, the person who created it did not know anything about programming or app development at all. They just had the funny idea and took action to make it real. And now, he is averaging about $10,000 per day from this stupidly simple application. Just think about it. How is that possible? That is huge. You see, the great thing about it is that once your app is in the App Store, it is exposed to millions and millions of iPhone users. And using the few easy tricks that I will show you, you can drive tons of dirt cheap traffic to it. And it's like a snowball. It keeps rolling and increasing in size each day. Let me ask you this. Why is it so great to have your own app or game? There are 2 different ways to go when having your own app. You can either go the pay route, when someone has to pay from 99 cents to $10 to buy your app. The other way is to go the free route. Most people don't even think of making their app free, but there is actually less competition, and therefore, you can make a ton of money. How? Let me show you something real quick. Stats have shown that if you have a free app that gets into the top 100 downloaded apps list in the Apple Store, the owner makes between $400 to $5,000 per day. Yes, you heard right. per day. That's a lot of money if you think about it. It obviously depends, of course, where you are on the list. That means at the least you'd be making $12,000 per month. Not too shabby for a free application. On the other hand, paid apps are a little bit harder, but you can make a ton of money as well with them. Even more than with free apps, in fact. Now the question is, how the heck can a free app make a ton of money? Most people actually miss out on this because they don't understand how free apps can generate huge amounts of money. Get ready to be amazed. Have you heard of mobile advertising platforms like AdMob, iAd, InMobi, AdPhonic, and others? Actually, it is a similar idea to pay-per-click ads from Google AdWords. Advertisers are paying somewhere from 5 cents to $7 or even $9 per click to get their ads displayed. And where do you think all these millions of ads are showing up? That's right, in your free apps. You get paid for advertising space in your app. It's just like having a popular website. People would want to advertise on your website as well. If you get in the top 100 list in the App Store, you'll average $400 to $5,000 just from having people advertising on your app. You don't even do anything but create it. It's so easy, like placing a banner on a site. And I will show you exactly how to do it. To get started right now, have your credit card ready and hit the big orange button saying Add to Cart. You can access the full training instantly after the payment. No shipping delays, no hassles. A full multimedia course with tons of step-by-step tutorials and full monthly updates for a lifetime is ready for you. And remember, you are fully covered by my 60-day, no questions guarantee. It can't be better than this. What printed book author will offer you that? Let me ask you this. As you can see, developing your own app is a real way to make huge money. But what is the reason most people will never get into the app business? The reason is most people will never realize how easy it is to make your own app. They believe in a myth that it is just way too difficult to start, and you need too much money and top-level programming skills for that. Well, I am here to finally get that out of your head. Let me tell you this, developing your own app truly could not be any simpler than it is now. All you have to do is to think of the idea and just start following my step-by-step tutorials. Easy as that. There is also a myth that you must have a super powerful Mac computer to develop games. What if you have no Mac and use a Windows-based PC? No problem at all. There is no need to spend thousands of dollars on the newest Mac computer. You can start your development on the Windows-based PC with the several easy tricks that I am going to show in the course. We'll install a special easy Mac emulator which provides the fully functional development environment on your Windows-based PC. Now, it's your turn. Hit the magic Add to Cart button below. This is your last chance, okay? I am going to shut my offer down next Friday because I can support only 300 members in my group, and I don't want my secrets to spread out on the internet. So hit the magic Add to Cart button now, and let's get started creating your first app or game. I can't wait to see you in the training group. I can't wait to hear your success stories. I can't wait to hear how you created the game of your dream and made a ton of money with it, like other guys from my group are already doing. You've seen the proof. So go ahead, hit the magic Add to Cart button below, and it will get you instant access to the full course right now. Thanks so much for watching my presentation, and I'll see you at the other side. still here sitting and waiting for something? Let me ask you, how will tomorrow be any different from today if you don't change your life and miss out on the opportunity to live the life you always dreamed of? So hit the magic orange button below and get started today. I really want you to do that. I really want you to be a part of this training because I know it helped a lot of people already and it is going to help you. So why wait to get started when you could literally access this entire training program today and start using it right away? Remember, all the risk is on me, and if for any reason you are not getting the results you are striving to achieve, just get in touch with me by phone or email and I will refund everything. No questions asked. Now it's your turn to develop your great game or app and get it on top of the App Store. Hit the orange button below the video and get started today. I can't wait to see you in the training center, and I can't wait to hear your success stories. So go ahead, click the button below, and I will give you instant access to the most powerful iPhone and iPad development course right now. Thank you again for watching my presentation, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.